Baba, baseball.
Oh, kawawa yung baseball. As it's broken. He tossed PJ's cowboy hat into a tree and broke PJ's baseball bat.
Snake.
Snake? Where's the snake?
Don't.
Oh no.
Oh no.
He even let go of PJ's balloon.
Now go.
Oh no. Binky never once said he was sorry.
But like him.
Ice cream? It's not ice cream, it's crayons. Binky did not listen. He used PJ's crayons without asking and left him in the sun. It melted.
Uh-oh. Bike.
The bike, yeah. He took the wheels of PJ's bike. Oh no.
Uwa.
Kinuha. Correct, kinuha. That does it, said PJ. I'm taking you back to the house. But Binky was just as bad in the house. First, he glued all PJ's checkers together.
Snake. Snake.
It's not a snake.
Cookie.
It looks like a cookie, yes. But it's a checkers.
Cookie.
Oh, cookie. He ate the last cookie into the cookie jar.
Egg.
He painted bunnies all over the living room wall. Drawing sa wall. Sino yung nag-drawing sa wall? Sino yung nag-drawing sa wall? Ay! Ay! Oh no! Ah, kasi the bunnies are like that. Ano sabi ng bunnies? Sino yung nag-drawing sa wall? Sino yung nag-drawing sa wall ni Lola? Sino yung nag-drawing sa wall ni Lola?
Brown and blue.
Brown and blue, correct. He put his bubble gum on the chair. Here. And he locked everyone out of the house. Bad Bunny. The funny bunnies could not believe it. They had never seen such a bad bunny.
Yay!
Finally, it was time for Binky to go home. Everyone was so happy to say goodbye to him. Now that was a very bad bunny, said PJ. And all the funny bunnies had to agree.
Cute.
Yay!
Cute.
It's done.
Cute.
Cute.
Done.
It's done. Good night.